Well, it's absolutely central to keeping the population happy and healthy and active. In terms of tackling the public health issues, that the main determinants of that are in terms of deaths, early deaths or premature deaths, is obesity, inactivity, people making the wrong choices about healthy lifestyles, the wrong diet, smoking, drinking. So we've got to bring people in early and get families in early and teach them how to make the right decisions about themselves. So that 60 million, actually, with a couple of operations later on in life, will save us some money. We've spent. This will be a good economic investment in terms of that, and obviously be a return on people using it as well. But actually, from a public purse point of view, it's a really, really good investment.